away here. We'd love you to send some pictures into us of Summer Bay, because a lot of people, believe it or not, have got onto us already that you're coming here, sending us pictures of Summer Bay, that they visited the set. Obviously, people visit the set in Summer Bay.
Well, a lot of people do,
yeah.
and a lot of Irish people lately. More Irish people than any other nationality.
Wonder, this is, do we have the shot here of Niamh Owens? Met this lovely man last September, always smiling and making time for his fans. I was there with my now fiancé. The day after this picture was taken, Matt proposed to me on the cliff where the lighthouse is on Home and Away. That's where he proposed. Some great memories of the time. Thank you, Niamh, for sending this. Look at that, that's wonderful.
Well, you have the same hair for the last 20 years.
I have. There is another one that we use in the studio, and the wardrobe girls are very efficient. They would like to have everything looking absolutely right. They don't care where it is in the storyline or whether the continuity works, because sometimes I have that battered old hat on in the outside shots, and that stays in a caravan that's out there. And in the studio, the girls have got a brand new one that's all
shining out.
So they say, you need your hat in this scene, you have it on location. They give me this hat, and the first thing I do is throw it on the ground and jump on it a few times.
You have to do that, you have to look the part. Yeah, because do keep sending those photos, and if you have more photos with Ray or on the set of Summer Bay, we have lovely